with me a little bit. My MacBook's old. So this is the Minitab Express software. This is the output window here. And down here is, where you would type data. So if I go to our website, let's get some data quick. In the additional resources tabs, this is in my stat lab. In the additional resources tab, there's a link that says data sets, and the data sets here, these are all the big data sets in the textbook. We just created Excel files and TI-84 files or what have you. So I'm just going to go to an arbitrary chapter, say chapter 2 or something like that. And you can see they say 8xi and CSV. Anything that says 8xi is the TI-80 whatever, TI-83, TI-84. Anything that says CSV, that's called comma separated values, and it'll open up in Microsoft Excel. So I'll grab, this particular one here. This is, and by the way, they're numbered. So this is, question 20, question 20, question 21, ... in chapter 2. So when you click on one of these files, it'll open up in Excel. Alright, so this, is some temperature data. It's got 30 pieces of data, as you can see. So, you could copy this really quick and then paste it inside of Minitab Express. So there it is. I'll copy that. Go over here to Minitab. Give this a title. See this first row here? That's for your title, so don't put any data in there. Call that temp. And I'll just paste that in there. So it's that same data that I opened up here. This could be for any data set. I'm just pulling data off the website because it's convenient. So now if you want to ask Minitab Express to calculate all your descriptive statistics, all you got to go is to this summary tab up here. And there it is, Descriptive Statistics. So you click on that link. And then, it says, all right, what do you got? You have all your data in one column, or is your data in more than one column? Sometimes, your data's in multiple columns. You can tell to do that, and, it'll have, multiple variables. But I got data in one column here. So what's the variable? You got to type the variable in here. And you can see it's right over here. It says C1 temp. So what you do is you just double click it, and it pops it right in there. And this is a group variable in case you want to group it by frequencies, what have you. But I don't. It's just temperature, so I'm just going to leave it alone. Then when you click this middle button here for statistics, you can pick and choose what stats you want to see. The mean, the standard error of the mean. Yeah, I don't need that. Standard deviation, variance, coefficient of variation, range, skewness and kurtosis. We usually don't talk about in this course. Mode, if there is any, max, the quartiles, and missing, we don't need that. And the n, the overall n. And there you have it. And then you just say OK. And it pops out what it calls the session window here. And you can see it. This is all your descriptive statistics. The same that you would calculate by hand, or the same that you would have used in your TI 83 or 84 graphing calculator. I'll pop a video up there to show you how to do this in the calculator as well if you have one and you would rather use that. But this is really easy. Again, you pop the data in, click on summary, choose the descriptive statistics command there, and then you could pick and choose. And if you want to leave it for the standard ones, because to be honest with you, the stats you'll really need are probably the n, the mean, and the standard deviation. Those are the big three right there. Really the big one is the standard deviation because there's a lot of work that's involved.